3 ways old-school cleaning validation delays your production schedule. Ready to start the next batch, but the line isn't cleared yet? Line clearance is the recorded check that the area, equipment, and documents are free of the last run and fit for use. Every extra minute at changeover reduces throughput. While the team finishes readiness checks and paperwork reviews, the batch stays on hold, pushing the schedule back, leaving equipment and crews waiting and lowering overall equipment effectiveness. In a paper-based workflow, the cleaning record moves by hand. The operator signs, production verifies, and QA reviews for release. One missing initial or a wrong document number, and the batch is on hold. Using one blanket limit may not account for toxicity, dose, or route, so clean equipment can still fail on paper, triggering re-cleans, extra swabs, and slower QC turnaround, and the schedule slips. Rigid cycles force downtime even when nothing has changed. A broad worst case triggers rework and testing backlog. Go digital and risk-based, where e-records, auto-check entries, the carryover limit comes from toxicology, and similar products are covered by one representative worst case, so only exceptions go to QA and releases faster. Here's the shift. Move from paper and blanket limits to digital, risk-based cleaning validation. Operators complete e-records right at the line. Automatic checks catch missing data. Only exceptions go to QA, e-signatures route instantly and releases faster, and audit ready. Want faster compliant changeovers? Go digital and risk-based for cleaning validation. See how and visit valgenesis.com to book your demo today.